I'm just going to walk through the process of fixing the sleepers together. This is the last of the sleepers to be fixed, just finishing off the step, the top sleeper there and the one running along the back. The rest is all completed now, so just onto the last bit. So the screws that we've got are from Wicks. These are timber drive screws, and they come with a fixer there to drive them in. I think for this part I'll be using smaller ones, the timber drive screws. If you are using oak sleepers, it's advised to use the stainless steel drivers screws, because the oak does tend to chew through the metal of these ones pretty quick. So I recommend getting stainless steel if you have got oak. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, I've got my whole channel of the whole project that I've been doing in the garden, including the out sunny pergola, the bar, the porcelain patio, the grass laying, the sleepers, and the whole house restoration project as well. So firstly I'll be doing a countersunk hole, so I'll be using this to create the space for the actual head of the screw to go in, and then after I've done that part I'll be using this, which is pretty rusted. It's been lost in the garden for a few weeks, and it's had lots of use, so I'll be using this to drill through, to give the screw some ease to screw into the part once I get to that bit. So I'll just show you that part. Afterwards we should be able to get the other part through, just with some pre-drilled holes, because it is pretty tough, and once they're halfway through and they stop, it's pretty hard to get.
Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause
So as you may have noticed, I didn't go all the way through, so I do want the screw to do some of the work. So I've gone through pretty much the whole of this sleeper, or 3/4 of the way through, to about here, and then afterwards it's going into the sleeper, which is running underneath of this, so it has got some work to do. For this one, as I mentioned before, I'm using the smaller ones, which should be enough to grip on. So I'll crack on with that part now.
if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will we live forever? And if I let you go,
secured in. I'd advise keeping the pace of the drill going. If you do slow down, it will kind of jam up and you'll struggle to get it in. As you can see, it's nicely housed in there. I'll probably get some wood filler just to fill that hole in on top so you can't see the screw. But yeah, very nicely secured. So now onto this one, and then we'll probably put 2 or 3 along this stretch